So Gogo Scotland got married yesterday, according to her, but this whole thing is not even convincing. This lady knows how to keep us talking about her. She always wants to stay relevant and she will do anything. So I've got a conversation that she did with Monday yesterday. I'm going to put it up so that you guys can read as well. Monday said, "What is it about?" And she said, "I'm getting married." And she said, "To who?" "I can't say." "So they're going to lobola you?" Or yes, they are busy negotiating as we speak. Mapupo ayafezeka. You're not making sense. Kanjalo nje. But anyway, all the best. And then she said, "Kanjalo, ngibonge bandla." And how can she get married whilst Limonde is not aware about all this? And of late, we were convinced that there's something that is going on between these two. All of a sudden, she's coming with this marriage thing. She is forgetting that on POS Live, she once said, "I'm going to be cleansed very soon. There's going to be some cleansing that is going to happen back at home." But now she's now coming out with this thing of marriage thing. I want you to watch the live that she did. I want you just to watch this part where she was trying to convince the father to lie on your behalf.
I give you all my blessing. I don't have much to say, but just wish you a bright future for tomorrow and forever.
Blessed marriage it is. King mam, uthoka ke moya? Bathong.
Tampela wana re nna ke nke
Tlamehile di behe batla drink.
ya ke re kena tampela tsona ke ntlong a mo ke tla dinga
I hope I'll invite her because this is not a big thing. It should be family only.
I don't know what you guys think, but this does not sound convincing at all. She tried by all means to bring in her father in her lies, but it's not convincing to us. One of her friends, Precious, said there's no way Tumi will do a marriage without divorcing Monde because legally they are still married. That's what she said. And up to now, we haven't seen any celebrity, anybody posting about this occasion saying congratulations. There's nothing like that. So to me, I think this is not true. The wedding is not even true. She's trying by all means to stay relevant. She wants people to talk about her because by that she knows that it's more money to her on her social media platforms and also her club that she opened and also her work as well. You know, this thing of entertainment industry, you have to stay relevant. So that's what she is talking about. And this morning she woke up advertising about her thing, and we're already forgotten that okay, she's a go-go. She woke up advertising her soaps and stuff, and people are like, okay, we are coming to buy, after all the stunt that she pulled about her wedding and stuff. Let me know in the comment section what are your thoughts on this issue. For those who haven't subscribed, please make sure that you're subscribed, and see you in my next video.